everyone! Welcome! Today we are here at the iconic boundary between Shuttle, USA and Vancouver, Canada! Right at the Peach Art border crossing. The art was built in 1921 and stands as a symbol over 100 years of peace and friendship between the United States and Canada. On one side, you are in Washington State, and just a short drive from Shuttle, and a few steps over, you're already in British Columbia, heading towards Vancouver! Look at that! This is really amazing, crazy! What cool is that this park is international land. People from both sides can meet here, take photos, or even picnic together without technically crossing customs. Imagine, this is really a way for us to meet your friends and family members from Canada and US border. So, whether you're on a road tripping from Shuttle to Vancouver or the other way around, the Peach Art is the perfect stop to celebrate unity and friendship. So if you're having a good friend, you want to celebrate your friendship together and your relatives, this is the perfect place to go! Again, we are here at the boundary of United States and Canada. So what are you waiting for? Remember everyone, as we are heading in this beautiful Peach Art, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. See you everyone. Bye.